Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can change the background color and TradingView. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open the TradingView website and click on the setting here on the top right. So click on it and go to Canvas. Now we have background here as you can see. As you can see, the color now is white. You can click on it and you can choose any color you want. So let's say gray, and as you can see the color has been changed. So let's choose this green, and I think that you get the idea. Also we have another option. You can change it to guardian, and as you can see we will have two colors. So let's say this one. As you can see here it's that color and here it's white. So let's change this to green, and after that just click on OK, and that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.